Hi, all. Billy Fradys here. Anyway, today I want to talk about how you can start generating $100 a day with affiliate marketing using complete organic traffic. Organic traffic is just simply just traffic that you don't actually pay for. So what I want to show you is I got my whiteboard here, and I kind of broke it down into three different steps. Now, in each step, I'm going to break down exactly kind of how you can actually go about this step. So let me show you here. This is kind of like an unedited raw video just to kind of keep it more casual with you guys. But anyways, what we know about affiliate marketing, if you want to start generating $100 a day, is you have to pick a niche, okay? You have to pick a niche, all right? So that niche can be weight loss, it could be digital marketing, it could be woodworking, it could be, fitness, it could be cycling, it could be all these different niches, right? So that's the first thing. Pick a niche, all right? Again, I want to keep it very simple for you guys. Pick a niche and then solve a problem in that niche. Okay, so how do businesses generate an income? Well, whatever business it is, they solve some type of problem. If it's food, they're solving the problem that you're hungry. If it's a weight loss product or supplement, they're solving the problem of people not wanting to exercise and lose weight, or just wanting to lose weight in general. So whatever you're doing, whatever business you're in, you have to solve some type of problem. All right. So when it actually comes to picking a product to promote inside of your niche that you picked, pick a product that is going to solve some type of problem. You can find a product on ClickBank, or there's outside affiliate programs where you can just simply type in your niche into Google, type in whatever your niche is, and then just type in affiliate program. So I'm sure you can find a bunch of products that are gonna solve people's problems. So that's the first step. All right, that's all you got to do. First step, anyone can do that. Super easy, super simple, simple to do. Now the second step is it gets it's where it gets a little bit more tricky. Okay, so number two is finding qualified traffic, and you can see I kind of laid out. This is all kind of like a funnel, all and it all leads to money. All right, so qualified traffic. So now that we picked a niche, we found our products that we want to solve a problem. Now we have to find our qualified traffic. So what is qualified traffic? Qualified traffic is people who are in this niche, right? They're in the niche of weight loss, or whatever your niche is, and they have some type of problem. They want to lose weight. That's their problem, right? If you're, theoretically. So where are we gonna find those people who need to lose weight? So your product can solve their problem. Where are you gonna find this qualified traffic? Well, if you're doing this with organic traffic in this year and beyond, my best advice is to check out Facebook groups and Facebook organic traffic. Okay, not Facebook ads. We're not looking for any ads, just purely Facebook organic traffic. All right, and there's lots of different ways to generate traffic with Facebook. You can use your Facebook page, Facebook profile, a Facebook group. So you can have a Facebook group that can generate, literally hundreds of leads every single day or month, and that kind of results into thousands of dollars of commissions every single month just from a Facebook group alone. So Facebook groups are very, very big for this year and beyond. I know Facebook as a company is actually putting a ton of time and attention into making them better. And some of these groups, like literally go into Facebook right now, go to the search bar, type in weight loss, you'll see that some of these groups in the niche that you picked, so whatever your niche is, go type that in. You'll see some of those groups have like 500,000 members, 100,000 members. Some have like 700,000 members. Like it's absolutely crazy how much traffic you can actually find um, with Facebook groups. So again, a simple way to find qualified traffic in your niche is going on Facebook. typing in that niche, going into the groups, and you know that all those people in those groups are people that have some type of problem or are interested in that niche. Okay, so that's where you're going to find your qualified traffic. You can also find it from SEO. I personally think YouTube and Facebook groups are going to be the best things for this year and beyond. So if you want to use certain traffic, so the first one I talked about was Facebook groups. That's like social traffic, okay? The second way you can find qualified traffic, okay, is YouTube, right? All kinds of people are, if you look on the YouTube search bar, people are typing in how to lose weight, they're typing in problems, they're typing in questions. So the way to get the qualified traffic is to make content answering those people's questions, giving solutions to those people's problems, giving value, and giving advice. Okay, so that's the second way, is through search engine optimization, mainly through YouTube. That's going to be one of the best ways, just because of video. It's way easier to rank for keywords versus Google. With blogs, it's going to be a little bit harder. With YouTube, it's kind of more new, and YouTube is kind of like the social media slash search engine. So it's easier to get traffic, in my opinion, from my experience. All right. So once you get that qualified traffic, you got step number two. The next thing you want to do, and keep in mind, this is all organic traffic. Okay, this is how you're going to find your qualified traffic with not paying for any ads. All right. Okay, the next thing, number three, is turning this traffic into leads and building up an audience. All right. So building up a brand or in a particular niche is one of the best things you can do going forward, because let's face it, online marketing will probably get more competitive as the years go by. Okay, there's also more people consuming content online, so right now I think it's kind of balancing out, but as the years go on, it'll probably start to get more competitive. But if you have a brand and you have if you have a brand and you have leads and you have an audience, okay, you're always going to have traffic. You're always going to have people that are interested in buying your product, right? So building up leads and building up an audience is one of the best things that you can do for this year and beyond, for affiliate marketing. So again, let's just break it down again. How are we gonna build up leads? How are we gonna get leads? How are we gonna build up an audience? Well, once you get this qualified traffic from either Facebook or YouTube, well, if you're doing Facebook groups, you're building up an audience right there. Facebook groups, you're getting new members in your Facebook group every single day. There are Facebook groups that have around hundreds of thousands of members, so that audience is always there. With the Facebook groups, you can also generate leads every single day. So when they come into the group, you offer them lead magnets, something that they can download for free. That's gonna solve one of their problems in the niche, right? So you just offer them that lead magnet to them for free, and a lot of them will give their email or get them on a messenger bot, and you're able to generate that lead and build an audience at the same exact time. Same thing with YouTube. If you're using YouTube, you're building up your YouTube channel. You're getting subscribers. So you're building an audience. And then if you want to generate leads, which is emails, or if you're using chatbots, that's also counts as a lead, I guess. You can offer lead magnets in your descriptions. So if you go to a YouTube description of some channels, there are free trainings, and that's how you can get people. That's how you get leads. It's not a bad thing to do. The whole point of generating a lead is, yes, you want to make some money from that, right? That's your goal here. That's why we spend time putting out content and doing, the stuff, providing value to people. But the real thing you want to do is generate leads. And I know that's um, not the easiest thing to do, um, so you want to build up more trust. So you just have, qualified traffic. When you're actually generating a lead, you want to still build up more trust, build, provide value, give them more of a reason to show that your solution to their problem um, is going to help them, and it's going to be the right solution for them to take on the problem, right? So again, it's just going back to basics of what is their problem. Okay, how can you solve that problem, with your product? How can you find those people that have the problem? And then how can you get those people that have the problem and build up an audience with those people and generate a lead from them, which is an email or getting them on your messenger bot. Okay, so once you do that, you start generating leads and traffic. You can start to make some money. Okay, so then you can start to actually offer the products that solves their problems. Okay, so what are, what are the products that are going to help them? Well, take them through your funnel, build some trust with them, and then you can upsell them on a product that's going to help them solve their problem even faster. And since you're an affiliate marketer, you don't own the product. You didn't make this product. You're just recommending it to them. So another good tip you can do is when you're actually selling the product, you're trying to make money, right? What I would do is you offer some type of bonuses. Okay, so you're basically telling them, hey, I have this awesome weight loss supplement. It's really helped me out. It's helped a ton of other people out. I have it right here. Maybe you can buy it or something. Okay, so you have the product, and then you would say something like, so if you buy this product right now, you're not only going to get this product, but if you use the button directly below this video, I'm gonna give you access to my weight loss course and my programs, and I'm gonna give you some coaching. I'm gonna give you access to my private Facebook group. So then you can start to stack all these bonuses, and then it comes to the point where the $49 they're spending on that actual product, they're getting just as much, if not more, value from your bonuses. So literally, the value goes up double or triple. So what that does, it could really double or triple your conversions, right? So that's really how you're able to generate money with affiliate marketing and make $100 a day with organic traffic. Okay, it's really simple. It takes some time. I know a lot of people overcomplicate it. I used to overcomplicate it too. I still do sometimes because we kind of get in our own heads and we start thinking about all this weird stuff, and like sometimes we just think too much, right? So you really want to just go back to the basics of finding a problem, finding a product that solves that problem, and finding where those people are. Okay, generating leads from them, and then selling the solution to their problem. I mean, that's all you got to do. And then add some bonuses to it, like I said. But that's basically how you're able to generate $100 a day with affiliate marketing. Go do it. I challenge you to do it this year and beyond. Drop a comment below if you guys enjoyed this video or have any questions. Um, and I'll talk to you on the next video.